Hello everyone, today we have a GMC K1500 SLT. Sounds super quiet. This is a 4x4. And the LED surrounds around the headlights don't really flicker like that to the human eye. It's just a refresh right on the camera that makes it look like that. It does have the tow hooks up front. Alloy wheels, running boards. Does have the steps and the bumper, tow package, spray on bed liner, power sliding back window. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Leather seats. And give you a shot of the VIN. You do have a wood look to the accents as well. All right, we're showing that we have 15,181 miles on this vehicle. Your trailer controls, 2 4-wheel drive lights. Okay, you got your push to talk and your other trip computer and information center toggles there. Along with cruise control, you come over here to the stereo and you've got your navigation. You have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Here you can check out your power settings. Over here you can set heated or cooled seats. Here are your additional controls, your climate controls. You also have CD in here. As you're coming down here, you have additional power supplies, additional stowage, cup holders, phone charger, and you have additional power supplies in here along with additional stowage. You have a large glove compartment. Up here you have your map lights and your sunglasses stow, and then your controls for your sliding back window. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here up front and center, and then the rear driver's side quarter panel as well. The airbag did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so as you can see, we've gotten it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.